Hello students. In today's business studies class, we are going to discuss the topic e-banking from the chapter number 4, business services. Now, what is the full form? Here E. E stands for electronic. Now, as per the definition, it is related with to conduct some of the permitted banking transactions through internet on mobile or PC. I have written here permitted. It means e-banking is providing us the facility that we can conduct some of the permitted, only those transactions which have been permitted by the bank, only those transactions which have been permitted by the bank with the help of internet, on our mobile or PC. So nowadays it's very common topic, students, as we are doing all these transactions on our mobile in our daily life. So it is totally related with managing all the activities which have been permitted by the banks that can be conducted with the help of this internet. Now, what are the different examples? First one is ATM. That is very common. ATM. Automated teller machine. Some students call it automatic. It's automated teller machine. Bank provide us a card. With the help of this card, we can withdraw our money from the different ATMs that have been provided by the bank. It is connected with a chip, students. So we need a password. Then POS, point of sale. Now what is POS? Nowadays when we go to the bank and sometime we can make the payment with the help of card also. These ATMs can be also used there. ATM debit cards can be used also there. The shopkeeper generally keeps a machine, a small machine, and then what happened कि वो उसमें कार्ड, हमारा कार्ड क्या करते हैं, उसमें स्वाइप करते हैं, then we have to enter the pin. So that machine is known as the point of sale, POS. Then EDI, what is the full form of EDI? Electronic data interchange. Electronically, some business, some banks have to transfer the data from one place to another place, so that known as the EDI. Electronic data interchange. Then debit card and credit card, that is also very much general and well known terms. Debit card and credit card. The basic difference between the debit card and credit card, that we all know that these are the plastic cards and we have to enter the pin when we are making payments. But what happened? What is basic difference between the debit card and credit card? For the debit card, we must have the balance. We must have the balance in our bank account. But for the credit card, bank generally grant some credit limit. हमें कुछ उधार की limit मिल जाती है. But when we make the payment with this credit card, per day interest generally charged on us. Okay. So the difference between the debit card is credit card is debit card के लिए पैसा होना जरूरी है कार्ड में. Credit card के लिए you will have the credit limit. Then digital cash. Now what is digital cash? आज के टाइम में हमारे पास एक एग्जाम्पल है. We have this Paytm services. So that is in a form of digital cash. That is in a form of digital cash because we can digitally transfer the money from one account to another account. But we can't use this. जैसे ATM है, ATM भी है तो आपके पास एक बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है, डिजिटल कैश भी आपका अकाउंट ही है. Paytm, we are maintaining the Paytm also. But what happened? ATM में आप withdraw कर सकते हो, डिजिटल कैश आपका withdraw नहीं होता. That can be only utilized for making payment in some of the granted. Then next is EFT. Electronically fund transfer. Electronically we are making the transfer. We are making the transfer from one place to another place. Okay. Now with the help of this NEFT and RTGS. NEFT full form is National Electronic Fund Transfer. RTGS stands for Real Time Gross Settlement. Now we can transfer the money with the help of this NEFT and RTGS anywhere. Okay, the basic difference between these two is related with the amount. 2 lakh below 2 lakh transfers with the help of this NEFT and more than 2 lakh generally transfer from the RTGS. Now what are the benefits? Now benefits have been divided for the customers as well as for the banks. First, 24 hours services. We know that it is not restricted. हमें बैंक जाना है, टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा या मतलब such type of things are not now there in this internet era. Okay, so 24 hour 365 days, anytime anywhere we can withdraw the money. Then convenience, very much convenience. चलते फिरते, okay, while traveling we can make the payments. While traveling even हमें restrict नहीं है कि मुझे बैंक ही जाना है, 24 hour service तो हो गई. Then convenient also, while traveling you can make the, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि बैंक जाकर ही पेमेंट होगी. While we are traveling even we can make the payments. Less risky, there is no need to carry the कैश. पुराने टाइम में हमें क्या करना पड़ता था, कैश कैरी करना पड़ता था एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. बट नाउ व्हाट वी से कि कार्ड तो है ना, मार्केट जाते हुए भी हमें कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती क्योंकि हमारे मोबाइल में ही आज के टाइम में एवरीथिंग वी आर हैविंग इन आवर मोबाइल. कार्ड भी ना हो तो भी चलता है आज के टाइम में, बट वी मस्ट हैव द मोबाइल फोन्स. देन सो इट्स वेरी मच लेस रिस्की बिकॉज देयर इज नो नीड. कार्ड खो भी जाएगा तो उसे हम ब्लॉक करा सकते हैं. ओके, नो वन कैन access to our card. We can block it immediately if it lost. Then financial discipline. Now how financial discipline? Each and every transactions has been recorded. Each and every transactions has been recorded. So it is creating a discipline. It is creating a discipline. एक छोटी से छोटी अमाउंट भी आपके अकाउंट में डेबिट और क्रेडिट हुई, immediately definitely you will get the message for that. So financial discipline has been maintained. अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस. नाउ वी आर नॉट बाउंडेड विद द वॉल्स. ठीक है, बैंक की जो वॉल्स होती हैं जिसे कहते हैं ना चार दीवारी, वी आर नॉट बाउंडेड विद दैट वॉल्स. नाउ वी आर हैविंग अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस. हम कहीं भी चलते फिरते कहीं भी वी कैन डू द ट्रांजेक्शंस. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट बेनिफिट्स फॉर द कस्टमर्स. नाउ मूविंग टू द बेनिफिट्स फॉर द बैंक. फर्स्ट इज रिड्यूस्ड लोड. वी ऑल नो दैट पुराने टाइम में जो बैंक का वर्क था, it was too overloaded we can say. But now with the help of this internet, because easily we can transfer with the help of one click, one computer can easily transfer the data to the another computer. So in this way the generally पहले क्या होता था, हर पर्सन बैंक जा रहा है विड्रॉ करने के लिए, डिपॉजिट करने के लिए, each and every time वहाँ में भीड़ दिखाई देती थी. बट आज के टाइम में क्या हो गया है, now we are not going to bank. In this way, reduced bank's load has been totally reduced. Now competitive advantage. How? Competitive advantage we are getting. Now if I give you example कि अगर एक क्लास है उसमें सारे ही बच्चे इंटेलिजेंट हैं तो definitely they would have the competition among themselves, and when there is a competition definitely we will get the best result. So here we can say that when we are having the competition among the banks also, so definitely bank will provide us the best work. Then unlimited network. Unlimited network, students. Now how it is unlimited, we can say that the bank has been connected with the help of this modem to any computer. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर के साथ कनेक्टेड है उसे. So it can permit so many transactions to the customers. So again it's a unlimited network provided by the bank to their customers. So this is the topic that we have covered today, students.